there's a way.
Hey, salut. My name is Waiza Tangana. I am here to represent the non-profit organization Art Connect Ottawa. Art Connect Ottawa is a non-profit organization in service of Black artists, new immigrant, and francophone artists here in Ottawa, Gatineau. And our vision is to create and generate like an inspiring environment for childhood and youth around Canada. That's why we are here. Yes, our mandate is basically create opportunity, to new immigrant, francophone, black artists. Like we know, it's not easy to be an artist, and myself, who I am, my name is Wise Atangana. Like I said, I'm a musician, artist, educator, father. Yes, community builder, also the founder of Art Connect Ottawa. The last 7 years, I made at least 4 music albums, like for all ages, and I made also one album for kids. I did at least 250 workshops and performances around Canada in schools, in community and festival. That really helped me quickly to connect with Canada deeply, for me going to school. And I'm here, when I had my child, my daughter, when she was born, I was very inspired. And when she was born, 2 years later, his little brother was born. And that really changed my mind, and I was really inspired. And I had a big motivation to introduce my daughter and my son in bilingualism, in francophonie. And I speak French first, how you can sound my accent, And I had a lot of big desire to introduce my daughter in the francophonie, in the bilingualism, in diversity, in inclusion through music, because I'm originally from Cameroon, Africa. I was born and raised there. And I had that motivation to introduce my daughter and my son, and that really inspired me to create the brand that called Mafolo Baby. What is Mafolo Baby? Mafolo Baby is a brand, entertainment brand for education purposes. That means we use music, books, art, technology to inspire and empower kids, youth around Canada. That's the big mission of Mafolo brand. And why Mafolo brand existed? Mafolo brand existed because we want to help millions of children and kids around Canada. We want to help their parents to introduce them in bilingualism, in antiracism, in diversity, in inclusion, in francophonie, in creative and fun way, because we believe like using art, using creativity, using technology, we can really empower, inspire the next generation. How it works. It's very clear. At the beginning, we have, like I said, we have books. We have books like this, bilingual books in French and English. We have music, bilingual music, French and English, with very simple words to help kids to understand how to learn the bilingualism, to learn a new word in French, to enrich vocabulary, like how they learn diversity, to share, to understand like the common value we have together. With this product, we introduce them in bilingualism, we introduce them in antiracism, we introduce them in diversity, we introduce them in inclusion, we introduce them because, like I said, we really believe like with art, creativity, it's easier to transmit some message. That's why we use our power. C'est vraiment notre clé. what's our execution plan? Because to really bring this vision in life, because like I said, we created this Mafolo maybe 7, 8 years ago when my daughter was born. She's 8 years old right now. She was the one who inspired me, and that means the brand exists 7 years ago. And I've been doing around Canada. I've been doing workshop in many different schools, tour Ontario tour, Quebec tour, go in a lot of cities, play in festivals. And now our execution plan to go to the next level, to make that vision become something real, to really use that vision to, against anti-black racism, against systemic racism. At the base, we have a vision, who is Mafolo brand. Now, and that brand exists right now. The second step right now, we are the face on raising the capital. Why are we raising the capital? Because now we want a whole team. We want to hire a whole team, like team of 12 people at least. We have some marketer, engineers, teachers, instructor, a bunch of people with very different skills who can really come to build something powerful and strong. After that, we need a localization for our offices, for the studio of creation, studio of collaboration, and a whole centers like where we can distribute and sell our products and the products of other artists. We have the second step. We want to build an application because this product we want to make them available internationally, like and nationally, everywhere. We want them, like if you don't have a CD or something with application, you can access all this information. And it's clear right now, it's impossible to go to the business without have an IT, a new technology strategy. We are not naive. That's why we have a whole plan to build an application to help our brand to be something powerful and strong nationally and internationally. And at the end of that also, we have a whole system of distribution and sales. Our plan is to develop a partnership with like board school around Canada. With all of them, they will be on the board to understand what we are doing. And to generate the revenues, like you can understand, our principal mandate is to serve the 5,500,000 students who are registered in primary and secondary school around Canada, because all of them can use that. It's about French, bilingualism, poetry, music. It's good for them. They learn very good values in school, and that's why our specific market is kids in school around Canada first, and after that around the world. How to be involved and how can you help? Just to say, I want us to say like Mafolo brand is not just entertainment brand in service of education purposes. With this brand, we believe like we will revolutionize how to inspire, how to educate next generation through music, through art, through creativity. Because we believe like if you use positively the power of art and creativity and technology, you can really inspire the next generation and you can really build a better world for next generation. And we love creativity, we love productivity, we love that everything. That's why we believe like we have the solution to introduce the next generation in antiracism, in bilingualism, in diversity, in inclusion, in creative and fun way, through products like this, through music, through poetry, are we creating very inspiring environment. That's why we are here. And if you want to help, if you want to be an ally, if you want to be a partner, if you want to be investor, if you want to fight systemic racism anti-black racism, if you want to fight discrimination, this is the solution. Come join us to build this powerful brand that will inspire next future generation in Canada and around the world. Thank you very much. We have all our information here, how to reach out us. You can send our email, you can phone us, at Connect Ottawa will be here because we are looking for people like you who need a real change, deep change. Merci beaucoup.
Let's play today, singing and dancing, all our cares away.